Hi everyone! In this episode of Best Places to Visit, I will tell you about the 10 best monuments in the world that have firmly stood against the test of time. So buckle up for a thrilling ride. Number 10. Stonehenge. Stonehenge, a prehistoric wonder on Salisbury Plain, England, mystifies and intrigues every visitor. Comprising massive standing stones arranged in a circular pattern, its purpose remains a captivating enigma. Dating back to 3000 BCE, this UNESCO World Heritage Site invites viewers to marvel at the ancient engineering and ponder the spiritual significance, making Stonehenge an essential destination for history enthusiasts and curious wanderers alike. Number 9. Christ the Redeemer. Perched majestically on Rio de Janeiro's Corcovado Mountain, the colossal Christ the Redeemer stands as an Art Deco masterpiece, its outstretched arms providing a mesmerizing vista of the city. This monumental statue, completed in 1931, not only signifies a profound religious presence, but also stands as a testament to awe-inspiring engineering. Year after year, it draws millions of visitors to Rio de Janeiro's Corcovado Mountain. Number 8. Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat, the majestic temple complex in Cambodia, stands as a testament to architectural brilliance. Built in the 12th century, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is the largest religious monument globally. Its intricate carvings, grand towers, and harmonious design reflect the apex of Khmer civilization. Angkor Wat's cultural significance and stunning aesthetics make it a mesmerizing global treasure. Number 7. Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty, an enduring symbol of freedom, grace, and democracy, stands proudly in New York Harbor, USA. A gift from France in 1886, Lady Liberty welcomes immigrants with her torch aloft. This neoclassical wonder, designed by Frederick Auguste Bartholdi, epitomizes liberty and opportunity. The statue's inspiring presence and historical significance make it an enduring emblem of America. Number 6. Colosseum. The Colosseum, an ancient Roman amphitheater, reigns as an architectural marvel in the heart of Rome, Italy. Completed in 80 AD, this colossal arena once hosted gladiatorial contests and public spectacles. Its grandeur and engineering brilliance showcase the prowess of ancient Roman civilization. The Colosseum stands today as a symbol of Rome's rich history and enduring cultural legacy. These videos take a lot of effort to make, so if you're enjoying this video, please do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. Thanks. Number 5. Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu, a marvel nestled in the Andes, enchants travelers with its ancient Incan mystique. Built in the 15th century, this citadel boasts breathtaking mountainous landscapes and intricate stone architecture. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Machu Picchu beckons adventurers to explore its historic wonders, offering a captivating journey into the heart of Inca civilization amidst the stunning backdrop of Peru's rugged beauty. Number 4. Pyramids of Giza. The Pyramids of Giza, a testament to ancient Egyptian ingenuity, were constructed over 4,500 years ago, and these colossal structures present themselves as marvels of precision engineering and architectural brilliance. The Great Pyramid, a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu, stands tall, flanked by the pyramids of Khafre and Menkaure. Timeless and enigmatic, these pyramids continue to captivate the world, embodying the grandeur of Egypt's rich historical legacy. Number 3. Taj Mahal. Nestled on the banks of the Yamuna River, the Taj Mahal stands as an epitome of architectural splendor and eternal love. Commissioned in 1632, this ivory-white marble mausoleum in Agra, India, captivates with its intricate details and symmetrical beauty. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Taj Mahal attracts millions annually, leaving an indelible mark on the world's cultural tapestry. Number 2. Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower, an enduring symbol of Parisian allure, graces the global stage as one of the 10 best monuments in the world. Completed in 1889, this 324-meter iron marvel by Gustave Eiffel seamlessly melds architectural ingenuity with cultural significance. Its lattice design and panoramic views enchant millions yearly, cementing its status as an iconic landmark, transcending borders and captivating hearts worldwide. Number 1. The Great Wall of China. Traversing China's rugged landscapes, the Great Wall stands as an awe-inspiring testament to ancient fortification. Built over centuries, this colossal structure spans thousands of miles, showcasing the ingenuity of Chinese engineering. With its undulating path and dramatic vistas, the Great Wall is a captivating journey through history, earning its place in travel enthusiasts' hearts as a must-see wonder. Now click and watch the next video coming on your screen that you will surely enjoy watching.